lads are squished in the back there.
So guys, it's really early o'clock. I am going on my last day of college before we head to Japan. So yeah, just a quick update. It's absolutely Baltic out. It's supposed to be like this kind of weather in Japan as well. So as you can see, really frozen. Have the car running just to defrost it, as you can see. But yeah, very, very cold out. So yeah, Happy New Year to everyone. It's been a long year for me. I've been super busy, loads of different changes. But yeah, next bit of the video you're going to see me walking out that door with my bags for Japan. So what is up guys? It's very late. It's like 12 o'clock in the morning. So Dan is heading over, grab me, have all my gear at the door, ready to rock and roll. So let's head to the airport. I'm coming! No, just have my camera there. Oh, it's slippy. Right, now it nearly goes a little bit. Are you putting them for me? Jesus, Dan. Yeah, 1 sec, I have to have hats and stuff. Oh. Leave it and dance. Love you.
Thanks very much, buddy. Sexy hairy bastard.
Okay. Well, you needed black, didn't you? Black? Very fucking slippy.
I know you're blowy for this, do I?
Yep. That's on camera now, Martin. Everyone heard that. Definitely sucking me off. McDonald's, please.
You're a red or blue and so.
I respect that.
Wait, Louise. What way are you putting that in?
It's too long.
Is it?
Constantly.
Ah, there's always one. Sorry for bringing them.
You bring it back, yeah?
Imagine, no, it's closed here, but you're farting. Fucking says me. Oh, there we are, look. Up all the way up there. Now if I found.
Shut your face. You shut your face.
Oh, put a sticker. Oh, yeah. Where would I put my one? I don't want to take over someone's spot. I can't, I don't want to take it over.
If everyone else is over,
It's huge, man.
Oh, there's 86 left. Yeah, I do that. Fucking
hold on, Ernie.
Which includes first and business class passengers, on service members, senator members, and Star Alliance Gold. Thank you. It's a nice hoodie out there, Daniel. Aaron hasn't been on a flight in 40 years. Here he is, going to Japan with 2 fucking lunatics. And a little lad. And a little lad.
What are you saying?
Yeah. Morning. The window, yeah? Yeah, get the window. There you go, there. Love the window seat. Say hello, ladies. Say hello, Martina.
Hello, Martina.
Let's go. Yeah. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck everyone. Flight number 2, let's go! Where's all the bitches? Where is he? Oh, there he is!
That's a little again there. Jamie,
13-hour flight, here we go.
do you want to put yours up behind the back of the fleece where it'd be safer?
No, I'm going to keep me bag down.
You pack your shoes.
Why
I might
not?
get one off you now in a minute. I don't need anything at the moment.
Let's go, baby.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna.
Dear passengers, on the left side of the aircraft you have a beautiful view of the Mount Fuji. On the left side, Fuji's Mount for you.
Hard on the brakes.
I see it, yeah, savage. Don't be a boyo. Hey lads. Yup. Serious buses, those not.
This is
Isn't it? Yeah, we got a lovely little car just coming off there. Check it out. Cheap! So much cheaper. This?
Yeah.
There's a little scratch on it somewhere, so I'm just having a look around the car to make sure that there's no other. There was a scratch on the back. No, I'm doing on this.
we're in this yard.
Yeah. Perfect, yeah. Yeah, load up. She's automatic in Japan. Lads are squished in the back there. Yup the yup. Look, Kev back there squished like bug. Right, time to go to the hotel. Let's go. Oh, that's reverse.
That's reverse. Or is not race mode. now, Jamie.
I thought it was race mode.
If you put it in P, it doesn't park itself.
I haven't driven an automatic car in a long time, man.
D is for daytime and N is for nighttime.
You let me go.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing has a handbrake.
No, not in here, not in here, not in here.
So we just spent 20 minutes finding this car parking space, so fucking C12. Say what floor it is. Yeah, no idea. Get the bags out of the car and head up.
Okay.
one of the most confusing places I've ever been to. Trying to find it and then trying to get parking and trying to find the lift to the actual lobby. So the lads are just walking ahead. But yeah, just trying to get our bearings. We get to the hotel, drop off the bags and get sorted. Right, we're checked in and it's lovely out. So me and the boys, we're going to go for a quick walk, grab some food and see what's happening. See if we can find a Lawson or something, get some grub. Martin's hungry, look at him. He needs to smoke as well, so we need to find the smoking area.
Yeah.
You can't just smoke out in public here, can you?
But we need to find, we go.
Time to go 7-Eleven, get some Sambos. Sandwiches.
Oh. Now these are the dishes that you can get cheap on it.
So just checked into the hotel and just heading into the room now, and we'll have a look. Welcome to my crib. This is gonna be the room for the next 2 weeks. So new clothes. There's a toilet. Yeah. Warm seat and stuff. Shower, I'll be having one now in a few minutes. Lovely mirror to look at myself. Nice little cupboard for all the stuff. Nice TV. It's a nice room, to be fair. Double bed. And yeah. Wow, what a view. Whoa. What the, that is one amazing view. Holy shit, man. Holy shit. That's amazing. This is amazing, guys. This is day one of Tokyo. And yeah, it's incredible. We floated around a bit. We done some looking around. Yeah, we're absolutely boiling. It's roasting hot. It's actually, it's so warm in Tokyo right now. When we left Dublin, it was -2, and we got to Tokyo this morning at 8:40 a.m. and it was 6 degrees, and it's 15 now. And I'm in a heavy, good Liberty Walk Drift Games hoodie that I brought with me just for this trip, just to keep me warm because I thought it was cold. I ripped all my hoodies walking on them. So yeah, guys, we're going to leave it here for now and catch you in the video for tomorrow. So yeah, day one over and out. Peace out, be dedicated, and see you in the next one. Peace.